Hope you all are having a great weekend. I'm cryptoFOXXY, and thanks so much for tuning in. We're going to talk about Bitcoin and the crypto market this week. We have some key events lining up in macroeconomic fashion. So we're going to talk about that in this video, see if it's going to affect the crypto markets, and see basically what experts are predicting. So let's jump into it. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, or follow me next wherever you're watching, and let's dive right in. So we'll do this very quickly. I'll make it as quick as I can, guys. I don't want to keep you guys too long here. So US stocks, particularly represented by Tesla and Nvidia, have been underperforming. The crypto space has shifted a bit to meme coins, not a bit, quite a lot actually. And this week, with macro markets are expected to trade sideways. Economic events and data releases are unlikely to have a significant impact on cryptocurrency prices this week. But as we know, things can always, evolve with the crypto market. It can be very volatile and can change. Things can change very, very quickly. So we need to be, aware of what's going on this week. We have the G20 summit, which is going to have potential impacts on global economic policies on Monday. Tuesday, we have the Reserve Bank of Australia release minutes of its November monetary policy meeting. That would be Tuesday. Wednesday, I guess, is going to be a decent hump day. Thursday, U.S. releases its first jobless claims of the week. EFMA International Finance Forum is going to be held in Paris. And Friday, we have some key U.S. officials expected to speak, and the final Michigan Consumer Conference Index for November will be released. And then we also have from Greeks Live says that the crypto market's entering a bit of a correction phase right now after a strong rally. So let's go take a look at what's going on specifically with Bitcoin here. So we have Bitcoin soaring to all-time highs again. It just does what it wants, and it just keeps producing these all-time highs. It's absolutely insane. So we're seeing strong demand and institutional buying coming in, and that's what's pushing the price. The crypto community is now eyeing the next move of Bitcoin to surge to 100K. That's kind of like the psychological level that everybody kind of assumes that Bitcoin's going to hit next, right? Is that 100K mark? We've been talking about it for a while now. So it's just expected to get there. It will get there eventually because it's almost expected right at this point. So we also have Nexo saying Bitcoin's options market is seeing a surge in activity driven by increasing institutional participation and rising prices. Record high open interest and skew towards higher strike prices is signaling expectations of a continued upward momentum. So one saying we might get a consolidation, one saying the upward momentum might continue. I would say we'll probably get a little bit of both. I think we'll probably get a little bit of consolidation, followed by the next kind of run up for Bitcoin. That's just my opinion. As long as we don't get any, massive bad macro news, right? Like I know President Biden today, he gave some press conference at a rainforest in like Brazil or somewhere, and he said that Ukraine could start using long range weapons towards Russia that U.S. provided. So I don't know if what's going to come from that. Hopefully, the market doesn't react negatively, but there is potential there for a negative reaction from the market. But spot Bitcoin ETFs have taken in over 2.2 billion in inflows in the past week. Trading volumes were over 140 billion daily. That is an insane number. Options traders are increasingly targeting that $100,000 level, with market fundamentals suggesting this goal is achievable. We can see the Bitcoin price. This must be an old chart because this is 69K, and I don't know why they put that chart there. So anyways, that wasn't very important. What's important is the analysis. RSI is at 7650, indicating overbought conditions and the potential for a pullback, but it's also showing the MAC indicator bullish momentum. So, I think that we are most likely going to see a little bit more upside to this thing yet after just kind of a, maybe a brief sideways action. So let's take a look at Bitcoin, down about 2% today over the last 24 hours. Volume's only down 4%. It's not too bad. But yeah, things are definitely going very, very well here for Bitcoin. We can see all-time high is at 93,434 4 days ago. So it's just kind of having this little bit of a cool-off period right now. I say cool-off, but it's not much of a cool-off, guys. We're still rocking in that 90K range. So very good for Bitcoin, very good for altcoins as well. We've seen a number of altcoins running. Actually, I'm just going to go double check that. 1 second here. Let's see what is on the top gainers for today. I actually didn't look. I checked my wallet earlier, but I wasn't paying too much attention. It's Sunday. I kind of try to take Sundays a little bit slow. My boyfriend actually had the day off today, so we just kind of went for a drive and did some family stuff. So Mantra's up 50%. Man, that's on my watch list. I didn't get a chance to buy any because I thought we were going to get a pullback after the election, but that just kind of didn't play out for me. Solana's having a great day. Radium has been crushing it, man. This thing's up 165% over the last 30 days. Absolutely nuts. Popcat is up there. Nero's up there. We got a number of Caspa's very slightly up today. So we've got a number of things running and it's looking good, guys. So hopefully we can keep up this momentum. I'd like to see it go a little bit sideways just for a little bit, just kind of cool off a little bit and kind of get our wind for our next leg up. So hopefully we will see that here shortly. So thanks so much for tuning in and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.